So hi guys, my name is Lalit and I didn't mean my name is Lalit, but I will leave it. And today in my new stuff video, I'll be pitbull dog versus husky. Actually when I typed pitbull in my laptop, it showed a human, not a dog. So they look quite adorable and more like this. Okay, pitbull versus husky. Let's get started. Kid friendly. Pitbull is not so kid friendly, but Husky is a total kid friendly dog. And you can choose Husky itself, but not such a good guard dog. Bite force. Pitbull has a huge ton of bite force. Even this, I think so, but if you put this in versus this has a bit less. That's cool. Just stand by your side. I'm sure I think so he'll come for you guys. So Pitbull will not actually will stand by your side like so mostly more random, but husky the strangers can easily pet it. Energy level. Pitbull doesn't have such an energy level, but husky it's known for its great power. I mean, it's very this thing energetic. Toll rates of whole weather. I'm sure you wouldn't think that this will come, and I just added it. So pitbull cannot stay in cold weather, but huskies actually are born in cold. I know Siberia is a very cold place. Tolerates hot weather. Husky cannot stay like if you have to put in a AC or a snow place, or you can just bath it with first a bit of hot water and a lot cold water. Pitbull can stay. Aggressiveness. People can may bite their anyone, even not even strangers, family, kids, and husky no chances, like only 1% chance. And aggressive with strangers. Husky is not so aggressive; it may bite or bark a lot, but then pitbull can just bite off, running a lot. And that's it for today. Bye bye.